Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. Welcome to the sixth session of the online tutorial. This week you are going to learn about the cover letters and curriculum vitae. You can find this week's topic in Module 7, which consists of two learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to write a cover letter in English and identify the parts of a curriculum vitae. Please study the materials and enrichment the links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 6 and submit the assignment too if you haven't. Good luck and see you in the next session.